Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a new red dot, the scope that I got. I didn't get it for free, so Atibal, Atibal, I guess. I bought it, and I'm just showing you a little improvement that I'm making. I think it's an improvement anyway. First thing I noticed was it's got these two springs that it helps to spring apart the clamp that clamps on the Picatinny rail, which is terrific, except if you take it all the way off like I did, the springs are going to get lost, of course, in the dirt, at the range, whatever, if you unscrew that nut too far. So I thought, well, put a little silicone in the holes there, put a little silicone on the end of the there's the silicone I got there. It's going to dry to a clear color, and just on one end of it, and that way the springs will stay on the scope even if the rest of it falls off. I mean, you can always find a flat washer and a lock washer, but those springs would be a little bit harder to find. So thought I'd just share that with you guys and gals. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and I'll see you later. Support the Second Amendment. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Froggy back for a second. I'm just thinking about it. I might put some silicone on this piece too, because there's really not any reason for this to even ever come off. So then the worst I could do is lose the flat washer, the lock washer. The nut, you could probably find it if you dropped it, but those two, good luck. Anyway, I'm thinking about it, putting a little dab there, and on the ends of the spring. It would still work, right? Okay, see ya, bye.